So you're probably thinking, Takomo Golf? Never heard of them. Don't sweat it. Takomo is a relatively new kid on the block, founded in 2020. Their debut clubs, the Iron 101s, hit the scene in 2021. Takomo is a Scandinavian-born, direct-to-consumer golf club manufacturer with headquarters in Finland and an office in Dallas. The clubs are put together in Hong Kong, where the cast heads, like the Iron 101 heads, are also made. Most of the forged heads come from Japan. Takomo embraces the Scandinavian ethos, durability, functionality, and minimalism. As Sean McCullum, Takomo's head of PR and community relations, puts it, you don't see a lot of bells and whistles. It's very clean, sleek, and minimal because nothing else has to be there. If you've been unaware of Takomo until now, it's time to pay attention. If you're into stylish, high-performing golf clubs at about half the price of mainstream brands, Takomo is your new best friend. The founding and future of Takomo Golf. Founded in 2020 and with their first clubs released in 2021, Takomo Golf is quickly making a name for itself in the golf world. Their minimalist design and focus on performance have won them a dedicated following. Takomo Iron 101 First Impressions Performance. One of the standout features of the Iron 101 is its forgiveness across the face. My usual miss-hit is on the toe side, and even my worst toe shots stayed straight and maintained decent distance. Another highlight is the workability of these irons. While testing, I could shape satisfying draws that started at the edge of the green and worked their way back to the center, stopping quickly. Design and feel. The Iron 101s are a visual delight with their sleek, muscle-back look. They're all about that clean, minimalist Scandinavian style, which means no unnecessary frills, just pure, elegant design. The feel is another strong point. The irons provide plenty of feedback on strike location, and sweet spot hits deliver a crisp, satisfying sound and feel. Value. At under $500 for a set or $320 for just the heads, the Iron 101 offers fantastic value. They perform on par with irons twice their price, like the tailor-made stealth irons. Customization. Takomo offers 6 stock shaft options from KBS, including the Tour and Tour Light shafts in various flexes. If you've been fit for your current shafts and they still work for you, consider the heads-only option to save even more money. Final verdict. Takomo lists the Iron 101 for handicaps ranging from Tour 7, but they're quite approachable even for higher handicaps like mine. The bottom line, don't get hung up on labels. Find clubs that perform well for you and appeal to your eye. For me, the 2023 King Tour irons are those clubs, with the added bonus of an incredibly soft feel. Takomo Iron 101 pros and cons. Pros: sleek, minimalist design, excellent forgiveness across the face, great performance at half the price of competitors, option to buy heads only, multiple shaft options. Cons: can't try before buying, need to know the best shaft option before purchasing. In conclusion, the Takomo Iron 101s are a fantastic choice for golfers looking for high performance, great design, and excellent value. They might just be your next favorite clubs.